Tags are an easy way to organize your notes on the go in Apple Notes. Typing the hashtag sign pops up some suggested tags that you can use. These are the tags you've already created in the app. To create a new tag, or when you don't have any tags in the app, simply type the full tag. Press the space or return key to save the new tag. In Apple Notes, tags are universal, so you can use the same ones in any notebook. You can view all the tags in the folder column under your folders. Tapping on a tag will display the notebooks using it. You can view notebooks with 2 or more tags. Next to the tag's title, you can choose to see notebooks that match all the selected tags, which is what we were doing at the moment. But you also have an option to choose any selected, meaning that as long as the notebook has at least one of the selected tags, it will show. The first notebook has both tags, but the second one only has one of the 2 tags. Right-clicking a tag gives you the option to rename it, which automatically updates in all the notebooks. You can also delete the tag. And when you want to delete multiple ones, simply select them, right-click. If you don't like creating and using folders to organize your notes, universal tags are a great alternative.